It's time for the stat of the night with live insights from the SAP Coaching Insights app. Oh, gentlemen, take a looky here. Jakob Chychrun, goal leaders among defensemen since 2019-20. This might surprise some people. First of all, that Coyotes sweater, I like the Kachina. I don't know where you guys are on that. But top five, Jakob Chychrun, he does the work. I think that's the thing that impresses me the most about him. Yes, he's had some injuries, but in terms of a physical specimen, you control the controllables and don't allow what you can't control to interfere with what you can. This guy's always in shape, always ready to go, and we can see with those measurements just how impactful he can be.
Well, he's a big man, and I mean, if he didn't play in the desert, you'd hear a lot more about him. And when they do talk about the Coyotes, it's always usually Oliver Ekman-Larsson.
Sure. And
this guy has come up quietly the last 4 or 5 years, and I think it's 4 years that he's played in the league. But he's got a great shot. He's got a great nose for the net. He jumps up into the play really well. It's no surprise to me that he's got 17 goals and is one of the leaders of the defensemen scoring in the last couple of years.
He's only 22 years old. Feels like he's been around forever.
Yes.
He's battled through some injuries along the way. He dropped in the draft. He was ranked to go top 5 his year and ended up going 16th. But he has all the tools, and he's starting to figure it out. It takes defensemen even a little bit longer at times to really put your game together, but he has all the tools to be one of the better defensemen, if not top 10, top 20 defensemen in the National Hockey League because he's big, he's strong, he can shoot, and he can skate.
Greatness comes from Boca Raton, Florida. Not just Chychrun, but Ariana Grande. I'm being told we have to talk hockey. We're going to take a break. When we come back, MSG is open for business. Get me a nacho. Yes, the fans are here. That's what joy looks like. Nothing like Rangers hockey on a Friday night. A lucky 1,800 fans in person. That's what we're talking about.
Stat of the Night is presented by SAP. The NHL runs its stats with SAP. Visit NHL.com/stats for more insights from SAP.